Oops, I turned the water off. Watch this. This is pretty wild. At least I thought so. Look at that. How is that possible? That's just wild to me. I don't know. Rotted out, dude. All right. Simple job. Simple job. Place a faucet. One of my most hated jobs. I actually hate doing labs more, but I got this. It's like $80. They just wanted a cheap one. They're selling this building. I got this specifically because I like the ones that have the built-in supply hoses. Just makes everything easier. So. Alright, well that Anglo stop ain't turning off, folks. It's alright. We got this little bucket right there. Okay, fortunately, these have not that one. How's it? Oh, it's a. How's that staying on there? What the heck? Looks like it's just. Wait a second. Huh. I don't even know what I'm looking at here. Okay. So that's the sprayer, which we'll have to get off. That came off pretty easily. There we go. Simple as that. And then make this easy. And just do that. Okay. How the heck do we get this out. I'm using the camera to look at it because I can't tell what that is. All right, let me climb up under here and we'll see. Okay, so now I see there's a little nut that's holding on that entire thing right there, whatever that's called. We'll use a you know, Fergie's ain't bad for everything. Ferguson's is alright, it's just expensive. But I got this pretty sweet set. I really like these. These have been really excellent. So let's see if I can't get that off. That's too small. There you go. There you go. Stupid design. Stupid design, dude. All right. There you go. Let's get this piece of junk out of here. There you go. There you go. Okay, let's clean this, yeah? And we'll probably use a little Lexel. Around there. Adler. It's the Adler. It's the Adler. It's an Adler. These names are just... The names just kill me. I don't know why. They're just so silly. The Adler. Oh, it's the Adler. The Adler. Oh, the Adler. Where's the... There it is. That doesn't seem to fit in there very well. Okay, so this one has a little this is a pretty substantial leak guard around here, so I don't think I'll even need to use Lexi's. There you go, goes like that. It's directional. Okay, so Now, just put that through like so. And then let's see, how do we tighten this? Looks like we tighten it with this thing, likely. Let's just double check. What do you say? Yep. It's pretty simple. So basically you just thread this thing on to the to that. That's it. It's all right. Okay, we got some 3/8 by 3/8. Hot side. Okay, let's connect them. What's up, dude?
Good.
All good. Okay, so you have to install this. So I'm gonna have to use, because I tried to watch. See, you gotta install this stupid thing. It's annoying, but whatever. I hate the sprayers, but whatever. All right. So we'll take this and we'll just, luckily it's not that big of a deal. Just gotta take that sucker off of there. I used to hoard these for whatever reason. I would always have a bunch of these in my truck. I can't remember why. I think I did a job and I really needed these and I couldn't find them and I had to go all over the city to find a couple of them. I'm not gonna lie that I'm inclined to save this, and I'm actually going to. I'm gonna keep that because I could use that. I'm a hoarder. All right. Now let's see how this operates. Similar. Yeah. Okay, we got that in. Just held on by that nut. So now we have this anal probe looking thing that you just send up right like that. Actually, I think maybe this has to go on it. Yeah. So you put this thing on the anal probe like that. Who comes up with this stuff, dude? I mean, this is stupid. But then that just goes who the heck in the world come up with this nonsense? Maybe it goes like, nah. It's gonna go. I could look at the directions, but why would I do that? Maybe, there you go, like that. And that clicks on. How idiotic. How stupid. Man. Okay, now. Anal probe faucet. Silly. There you go. There you go, anal probe faucet for you. All right, no leaks. All right. Man, some of these designs are just beyond me. I mean, really. Look, they got the water heaters in here. They got the TMP discharging into the disposal. I guess there's nothing wrong with that. Or actually, there probably is a lot wrong with that. But yeah, I mean, if it backed up and food got into the TMP and it blocked water from being able to get out of the TMP, you'd probably have an issue. But I mean, if any water's coming out of the TMP, it's gonna be super hot. So it probably isn't really an issue, to be honest with you. Oh. All right, well, that's it.